Hello disciples, my name is Zhang Xi and I am master of the 10-year series. Recently, I was scrolling through TikTok and I noticed one disciple performing an expert Shaolin move called Monkey Going Up the Tree. It is one of the most difficult Kung Fu moves, yet he performed it flawlessly. Today, I will be using simple physics to explain how this move is possible. Let us now draw some force diagrams. If you only consider the disciple, his left foot is below the stick, so the stick pushes his left foot perpendicularly downwards. His right foot, however, is above the stick, so the stick pushes his foot perpendicularly upwards, while friction acts upwards along the stick. His weight also acts vertically downwards, somewhere below the navel. If we imagine the right foot as the pivot, these forces create a turning effect called a moment. The force on his left foot creates a clockwise moment, whereas his weight creates an anti-clockwise moment. If balance is achieved between clockwise and anti-clockwise, the disciple will remain stationary and not fall. This is what is known as the principle of moments. If we consider the forces on the stick alone, the force due to the disciple's feet on the stick are equal and opposite to earlier, because of Newton's third law. The left foot pulls the stick perpendicularly upwards, while the right foot pushes the stick perpendicularly down, and friction acts downwards along the stick. The ground also exerts a force diagonally upwards on the base of the stick. The force by the left foot causes an anti-clockwise moment, whereas the force on the right foot and the weight both create a clockwise moment. Once again, the disciple pushes with just the right amount of force to balance clockwise and anti-clockwise so that the stick can remain stationary. If you consider the disciple and the stick as one, his center of gravity is directly above the pivot point, creating neither clockwise nor anti-clockwise. So even though he is perfectly balanced, small changes in the forces and alignment will break his balance and he will eventually descend towards Earth. So disciples, train hard and one day you will become a master just like me. Curious minds, everyday discoveries.